Welcome the our channel. Today we how to reduce complexity with Airtable detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Airtable account. If you don't have an account, visit airtable.com and create one. Once logged in, create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button. You can choose to start with a template or start from scratch. If you opt for a template, browse through the categories and select one that suits your needs. If starting from scratch, name your base appropriately to reflect its purpose. Upon entering your new base, you will see a blank table. Begin by identifying the data you need to manage. Decide on the fields you require, such as text, numbers, or dates. To add a new field, click on the plus icon next to your existing fields. Choose the appropriate field type from the drop-down menu. Provide a clear and descriptive name for each field. Next, start entering your data into the table. You can easily add new records by clicking on the empty row at the bottom. Ensure your data is organized and consistent throughout the table. If your project involves multiple tables, consider creating linked records. To create a linked record, add a new field and select Link to another record. Choose the table you want to link it to, then save your changes. This reduces data duplication and maintains consistency across tables. Once your data is structured, consider using views to simplify your display. Click on the Grid View dropdown and select Create a new view. Choose the type of view you'd like, such as a calendar or gallery view. Customize the view settings to filter and sort your data effectively. Utilize grouping options to segment your data into categories. This helps in managing complex data sets by breaking them down into smaller, manageable pieces. Remember to make use of Airtable's collaboration features. Invite your team members to the base for seamless communication and updates. You can assign tasks directly within Airtable by creating a collaborator field. Automate repetitive tasks using Airtable's automation features. Click on the Automations tab and set up triggers based on your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.